Hi, my name is Dalia.
Hi, my name is Leo.
Today we're going to be spinning the wheel and answering some fun questions.
All right, ECE memories. One of the best memories that I have at ECE program is like every time when I walk in the teaching building, when I meet someone, if they're ECE, then we will immediately have like a lot of common languages. For example, we take these courses before. It just give me like a feeling that it's such like a great and small community. I really enjoyed that.
I think one of my favorite memories has been just getting the chance to engage with so many wonderful, bright minds and individuals around me. And that includes a lot of the extracurriculars and student societies that I've been a part of. Most notably, IEEE U of T. Some of my best memories and friendships were made in that club. All right, we've got lessons learned.
Mentorship journeys for me started from the club IEEE U of T. I remember when I was second year, I had this chance to join the IEEE web team, and I have so amazing mentors that guide me from the very beginning. That makes me want to try to also contribute back to the community that I'm living in as well. I'm going to take mentorship roles, try to help the next generation of the student and try to give the knowledge that I gained from my past mentors and pass on this knowledge.
Whether it's been at my PY at NVIDIA or previous internships and research that I've done at companies such as Qualcomm, I think one of the most important lessons that I've learned that applies to academics or outside is just not being afraid to ask any questions. Even serving as sort of a TA and working with a lot of students, that's the one thing that I feel like we're all afraid of doing. It's the primary way that you learn, and you should never be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try out new things. One question can take you miles away, so I highly recommend that. Just ask any questions that you have, clarify. So at ELCANO, the entire idea was founded on a platform that was for students by students. So we really took a look and used our engineering skills to figure out what is something that we as ECE students really need. And we kind of took it in the direction of creating not just a course selection, but also a career exploration tool that would aid in students' day-to-day activities. And so I would say one of the most important lessons that we were able to learn from it was just, I think, proper collaborative teamwork and sort of funneling our ideas into solving an actual engineering-based problem. It's very easy to really kind of stray away from something, an objective or mission that matters to us most. So I think that kind of learning to effectively communicate and put our ideas together, and that includes the help of faculty members. They've been monumental in sort of shaping the idea what we have to offer in the app and us learning a lot. So yeah. We've got wise advice. I would say that as especially a second year ECE, it's very easy. And one of the pitfalls of every second year ECE that I know, including myself, is definitely taking on a little bit too much. So whether it's in student societies, clubs, I know we kind of want to do it all, but sometimes it's just important to scale back, slow down, and do not bite more than you can chew. As much as there are so many wonderful things that we can explore, especially at U of T, take it step by step. There's still time. There's PUI, there's third and fourth year. So, manage your time effectively and go from there. Okay.
Good one.
Go ahead.
I would say Dalia is one of the best public speaker I have ever seen. I remember we were doing a presentation to present IEEE to the second year student and third year students. And Dalia is so confident when she is trying to speak in front of people. And I have a lot of things I can learn from her.
That's very sweet. One of many compliments I could give to Leo is that he is such a kind and patient friend and also person to work with. What I learned about him throughout this entire process, especially when I was at work with platforms such as ELCANO, that going through so many of the different processes, whether it was the actual app development to writing a paper and presenting it at a conference in Tokyo, it's just been so wonderful to work with him. He's not afraid to ask questions and to kind of work through things.